The Valo X Light is the most advanced curing light from Ultradent, and we're confident it will be a valuable addition to your practice. Along with reliability and unmatched quality, the Valo X Curing Light has many features to offer. Let's start out by seeing what comes with every Valo X Light. The Valo X Light comes securely in a foam insert to protect against bumps and other disturbances during shipping. Below the tray with the foam insert, you will find a sleeve containing some barrier sleeves required during use of the Valo X for hygienic protection. A light shield, important information such as a quick reference guide and the instructions for use of your new Valo X Light. Under the sleeve in the center of the box, there are 2 stack packs containing specialized curing lens accessories and diagnostic aid lens accessories to extend the capabilities of your curing light. The left side box includes your power supply with a wall plug and various adapters for international use. And finally, the right side box contains your Valo X Light components, batteries and a battery charging cradle, Valo X mounting bracket, and a cord adapter.